Hey everyone. So is AnyDesk showing a session closed unexpectedly error? Maybe your remote session disconnects suddenly, or the connection drops without warning. Yeah, that can be super frustrating when you're in the middle of work. In this video, I'll show you several ways to fix the AnyDesk session closed unexpectedly issue in 2026, and most of these steps only take a few minutes. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. AnyDesk requires a consistent connection to maintain a session, so check your Wi-Fi or wired network. Next, restart the AnyDesk app. Close it completely from the system tray or task manager, wait a few seconds, and reopen it. This often resolves temporary session issues. Make sure you're using the latest version of AnyDesk. Outdated versions can cause unexpected disconnections or errors. Your firewall or antivirus might interrupt AnyDesk sessions. Make sure AnyDesk is allowed through your firewall and security software. VPNs or proxies can sometimes cause sessions to close unexpectedly. Try temporarily disabling them and reconnecting to the remote device. If the issue persists, reinstall AnyDesk, uninstall the app, download the latest version from the official website, and install it again. This usually fixes persistent session errors, and that's it. Most AnyDesk session closed unexpectedly problems can be fixed by checking your network, updating the app, or reinstalling it. If this guide helped you, check out more quick tech tutorials on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.